Okay.
He comes in peace, and she's peace. Together they are the Stuffins.
What's up, guys? It's the Stuffins. She was gonna say something, but I cut her off. We're back with another snack box. Shogun candy. Japanese, Chinese, Japanese,
Something like that.
Asian candy. We'll just go with Asian candy because I'm not sure exactly where it's from. Japanese. It says right on the back if I fucking read. But yeah, so we're gonna be getting into the candy box. Had it for had it for a while. It's full of stuff. We're gonna go one by one. Oh, this tells us oh my god, it's got cheat sheets and trading cards. What?
Stickers?
It's got a
Ooh.
trading card. Princess Maui.
Huh?
That's kind of cool. Oh, you can get all the cards. It's a card game. So they have other boxes.
Princess Mari.
They have other boxes, and you can get a card per box.
It's a
and then
game.
Yeah, I'm saying. It's a game.
That's
And then
cool.
this one tells us exactly what's in it.
Thank God.
So we'll know. Okay. But yeah, so we're gonna get this going. Sorry, it's been a minute. All sorts of stuff.
Yeah, we suck.
Yeah, we had a lot going on over the last little while. I got 2 weeks left on my job or so, and then we should be able to post more content a little bit more regularly. We have business endeavors that we're going to be looking at soon too. We both have a coffee, whatever the however you say it,
I keep saying
link.
that.
So if you guys are interested, I'll post them on a video. Some are about Mir, and Mir. And then links in the description below. And then you guys can go and you can check them out. There is a store built into those too. So with one of our business endeavors, we're going to be adding a store to that so it's easier to shop. Other than that, this stream is also sponsored by somebody. Yeah, it is. Your mom. She loves you, but we love you more. Yeah. Okay. Do you want to start with a high five? Which is?
Yeah, right to your forehead after that one.
Okay. Hold on. This one. Cola flavored rock, paper, scissors, gummy shaped candy. Beg your pardon?
Oh boy.
We can play rock, paper, scissors with a can.
Huh?
Apparently,
Wait.
are you supposed to get all three? And then you can duel? Duel! I don't know how to open this shit.
I'm scared of it. Because it looks like one of those things that you used to slap each other with.
Oh, it definitely smells good.
Does it?
Yeah. I can't. I didn't know oh. It's not a rip the whole corner. It's just a rip.
It's
It's, wow, that actually does. What? It's supposed to be cola.
Well, that's not cola. That smells like grape.
Okay, so since she's being a big.
Is it grape?
No.
You lying?
No.
You're lying.
No.
Can I just
Oh, now I gotta just eat it. Now you have to eat it. The whole thing, too.
I'm sorry.
The whole thing.
I'm not eating the whole thing. Get fucked. Why?
Yep. Potato sticks. I don't really know how you can go wrong with these.
What?
They look like some really good Yukon Golds. Oh, these are literally hickory sticks without the hickory.
I'm not okay. For the
Oh.
record,
They're potato sticks, like straight up potato chip
Mm,
in a stick form.
it was great. You lied. I could eat these. Mm.
So the next one, want to finger my hole?
On a finger.
Salted potato. These are apparently just a salted potatoes. Is this going to be another one that's just like full of sodium? They are
I
so.
kind of hope so.
They are so tiny.
Like so.
That is a tiny hole. That's what she said. But like, that's like a bead.
Your mom's a tiny hole.
Usually my mother has.
You brought everyone's mothers into it.
Yeah, but I told them that they love them. Yeah, that's all that is. It's a
Mm.
it's
These
potato.
are good.
Oh,
No, but I like the other ones better, the hickory sticks. Should we go with something sweet first?
okay, because I think I know what that is, and I'm. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What is this?
Hills! I'm just kidding.
It's a key. Key to my fart. And it's not. Oh, there it is. Japanese version of it. They're Japanese versions of M&Ms. Interesting.
And they put them in a little packet.
They're legit M&Ms or Smarties for Americans.
Wanna know?
Okay. I do want to know what this is though. Oh.
What?
It's grape jelly. Legit. It's muscat grape jelly.
Why does everyone hate me so much?
Contains apple.
Okay, so tastes like apple. We will be okay.
It smells like apple. It's like sour green apple. It's very hard to eat.
Please don't lie.
No. It's like sour green apple and grape mixed together.
Why does that taste like soap?
That's what you get from it? It didn't taste like soap to me.
It tastes like hand soap.
You know what the funniest thing is too? Look at watch the tip.
Boop, boop. It's hand soap.
Boop, boop.
I'm pretty
What
sure.
if you're not supposed to eat it?
Is that supposed to be hand sanitizer?
Gonna have crispy clean poops.
I need like.
We're gonna put that in the note file.
Oh no, Alice can have those.
Okay. So next one. I really want to try these ones. Pizza flavored corn snacks. They look like corn pops, but apparently they're pizza flavored. And so far, oh,
I haven't found anything I like pizza flavored other than combos in years.
but okay, these actually smell like.
That one in there looks like a little cleaner. You ate the tip.
The smell had me.
Where'd the flavor go?
That's what I mean. Hold on. You gotta have a couple at a time.
Yeah.
Yeah. I have like 4 or 5. It's real subtle, and I really feel like the corn pop takes over. Like it really just takes over everything.
These are okay though.
Yeah, I mean, all things considered, it's not grape flavored.
Is that apple smoking? Or is that a strawberry smoking?
This is a strawberry. I don't think it's. I think that's supposed to. That's supposed to be its mouth, or its vertical split. Which is this? Cola flavored or grape flavored or green apple flavored roll candy. One of 3.
This is complete bullshit.
What are the 3? Cola, grape.
Freaking fruit roll up.
It is a fruit roll up, but
It's grape, isn't it?
it smells. No, it smells like strawberry. Smell that.
Oh.
But it's supposed to be cola, grape, or green apple.
So it's strawberry?
I'm not
It's a very interesting textured
I feel like this is actually
roll up, you know?
I don't like fake strawberry flavor.
No, that's a weird texture too.
Ugh.
Like there's a lot of gelatin in this. Too much gelatin.
Ugh.
Leave the whales alone.
And by the way, this is her hat, not mine.
Lies. He wears it to bed even.
Like some baked French fries.
Should be Jagabee.
You want a jacket? Never mind.
Don't. I just saw something intriguing.
Ooh.
You looking at what I'm looking at? Is it just a French fry?
Tell me what flavor that is. You should know.
I have no idea.
It's butter. It's literally just, it's a fry with butter on it. I like those. I might have to order some of those. Is this
Jagabee.
what you were looking at?
Beside it.
That?
Mm-hmm.
That's not creepy looking at all. It's an and pan man fruit. and pan man. And pan man.
Oh my god.
Sounds like a failed superhero.
Careful because what's in there might
Jelly?
be liquid. How are we gonna do this? Are you gonna tongue it and then I tongue it?
Nope, I'm not gonna eat that.
What is it?
That smell does not. Nope.
It doesn't even smell like anything.
Mm-mm.
Oh, I touched the tip.
I'm gonna go back to my butter flavored.
Oh, it's orange.
Yeah. No thanks.
Someone's gonna have cow. Cow? Fuck you.
Little stuck, blow.
As soon as I did it, it occurred to me that
and pan man chocolate stick.
we have children who watch this. And by children, I mean adults.
Cool.
He's so cute.
For reference, that's my thumb. Just a little.
I want to know what the point of this stick is.
It's plastic, therefore it's recyclable.
No, there's something on it.
Well, she's doing that.
It's his little face.
Is that what it is?
Mm-hmm.
Whatever this is.
That was good.
What is this?
What is
Red tongue, black tongue. Gum that makes your tongue red and black?
Oh no.
Wait, gum? Oh, it's,
Should we?
hold on.
That's last.
That's gum.
That's last. Okay, guys. It's got a little stick in it. What are those?
Is it? Wait, is this? No,
No.
I think this is mochi. Sour gummy candy apple flavored, maybe? No, that's not right.
Can I see the thing?
Oh, it's right there.
Candy that makes your mouth foam?
No, that's not right. Oh, going in.
Bite them. On paste.
So this has like a little.
What the? I'm very confused.
It's got a little toothpick to it. It looks like gum.
If this is the stuff that makes our mouth foam, what's happening in your mouth hole? Is it crunchy?
No.
Then I don't have a clue what it is, guys.
It's just like
Oh, yes, I do. It's mochi. There's the pink packet right there.
oh, so it's supposed to be cherry, but this one's green, so it's green apple. It's actually really good.
So this is actually my first time having mochi.
Good.
So apparently,
Oh.
there's something.
Oh.
Oh my! There's something in here somewhere that's going to make our mouth foam.
I don't like that. What are these? They're at the right there. What's that?
Orion Ramune, whatever the hell that means.
Oh, these are going to be her favorite right here. The
No.
grape flavored ones.
Can I have the cola one? How do you open it?
The little thing on the top. I'm assuming. Oh my god, I don't have.
Ah!
I can't.
You can't reach it. Houston.
I don't have nails. I can't open this shit.
Want me to do it?
Wait, I got it.
Oh, so they're just like little Pez candies. Oh, that is cola-y.
You can't even see it on my hand.
Wow, is that ever cola flavored?
Right there.
It packs a punch for a little thing. You want to try cola?
Oh,
Right? Cola.
I always feel like fake cola flavor is just a lot. They don't even taste like grape, to be honest.
That's a fucking Tylenol, you liar pants. Blech. Wait, F you guys.
No, that's. Oh yeah, I guess good. Yeah, that's from yesterday.
I can't even open it. What do you do?
Close them.
Blech. No, that's so great.
Yo, look at these things.
Tell me that's not great.
Grape flavored rampun. Rampun? Right there.
Great Ramune or Immune?
Ramoon?
Ramune. It's another. Are they bigger types of these little guys?
I think so.
I'm not eating that.
I would, but I can't get. There we go. I actually. It comes in this. Fancy.
Not eating that.
You know what these remind me of?
Nope.
They look like sweet tarts. I'll close it because I know you're not going to eat them. They look like sweet tarts.
Nope.
It's not bad. I don't mind it. That's not terrible. Okay. That looks like gum. Yeah, right there. These are chewing gums. Raspberry or strawberry and orange. So I'm not about it. And I'm gonna assume this is the foam. Or is this more gum?
That is something that puts bubbles in your mouth, not the foam.
Cola bubble
I
candy.
bet you it is the equivalent, yes,
Is this the foam?
to a fizzy candy. No.
Oh, it's sour. Just like Tums. Ugh! It's sour! Oh, fuck a duck! Oh, where's Greg when you need him? Greg!
Help!
That's wild. We gotta keep these for one of the kids.
Oh my god.
Ugh.
It's in the back of my...
Excuse me, I need to drink coffee right now.
I'm so far away.
Oh,
I just... Give me a hiccup.
that's horrible.
Don't eat
So
all.
that legit like foams in your mouth. Whatever's in it reacts and foams in your mouth. Eyes water. Oh my god, another jelly. This is an orange jelly. Do you want that? Do you try that?
Nope. What is that little cola man?
He's right there.
That's not him. This guy? Oh, sour gummy.
Oh, so it's supposed to be green apple flavored,
But
but
it's
this says cider.
Yeah. That was disgusting, and I'm not okay right now.
That tastes like soap to me.
Yep.
It tastes like soap smells.
Yep. Soapy. That's disgusting too. Okay, that's that guy.
Bob Dog.
Little bug dog, sour cigarette.
Sour cigarettes? Yo!
Hell yeah!
Look at that!
You guys gotta see how cute these are.
Little Bob Dogs.
Oh
You
my
just-
god!
Oh,
What?
they smell like cat piss.
No, they don't. It smells like lime or lemon. What is wrong with your nose hole? It's limey, lemon limey. Sorry, I went to La La Land. I don't like it.
Ooh,
Like, it's not disgusting, but
it's not great either.
I don't like it. Everything's either super salty or really sweet or
This is the mouth foam one, I bet.
nope.
What is this?
Sherbet Taro cola flavored dip and the candy and cola powder. Oh, so it's a sucker that you dip.
Like a fun dip. Fun.
I have nightmares from the last candy box we did though.
I'll make sure it gets nice and loud.
Babe.
That's super cool.
What? Do I have to taste this first?
No, we gotta lick it first.
No, but do I need to taste it first?
That'd be a good idea.
Bubblegum?
That's super cool.
Okay, so the sucker tastes like bubblegum.
It's supposed to be cola, but that's neat. I like that. Oh,
That's good.
yeah, that's garbage.
Mm-hmm.
What is this little Pikachu thing?
Pikachu. Cola flavored chewing gum.
What is up with chewing gum?
No, but we're gonna try the one that's gonna make our mouths
What's
stink.
that? Caramel?
Let me see it again.
Yeah, it's salted. That's salted caramel.
Peel caramel. Want me to do it?
Yeah. I don't like caramel, guys. Sorry.
Yeah, but no. No.
Oh, maybe that's the salted caramel one.
That's not, I don't know what I have in my mouth right now.
That's the salted caramel one.
Oopsies. I don't know, but it's not terrible. Maybe it was just extra.
Cola flavored candy. Or is that the green apple one? Because it says right there. Or green apple.
Well, maybe. Yeah, I think so.
That's the salted caramel one. You can have that one.
Oh, absolutely.
Mm.
It's not salted caramel. This is coffee. You would like this.
That's coffee? Are you sure?
It's caramel and coffee.
Oh, I like this one.
I mean, we could Lady in the Tramp, but this is real dirty.
That's a good one.
It's good. It was good. Coffee doesn't last as long as the caramel. Okay, so those are con pie toe. Bite them. Mixed fruit flavored crunchy candy.
These look like the rock
We've
salt.
had them before.
These look like the one we had before.
And they were good.
Yeah, we've had these before. They're good. I'm still working on Coca-Cola.
I'll try them.
Okay.
Because I remember I think I ate the whole bag of the other ones. This is just rock candy, and it's really tasty.
Oh, this is
Popping candy.
cola flavored rock pop. Or no, what did you call them?
Pop rock.
Pop rock.
Do they look like our pop rock?
No. Like a handful of my hand doesn't tip that way. Hold on. I gotta go.
I don't think we can say that word on YouTube. Is it okay?
They don't pop as much as ours do. There's pop in there, but there's not like. I think it's supposed to like simulate drinking a pop. So the camera's not picking it up. The camera's just picking you up, going. Okay, we're down to the last two before the gum.
It's a long one. It's a blue long one. One says Monster Stamp, and there's one
Full flavored spoon candy. Which one do you want? There's more than one in there.
I'm confused.
Oh,
Is that a stamp? He's so ghosty.
doesn't really taste like anything though.
Huh?
No, it's just green.
It's a ghost.
Maybe you're supposed to like stamp stuff with it, like your hand. Don't you fucking dare.
You know.
It's like, oh, it's like,
Laffy Taffy?
no, it's like that Airhead stuff you used to get. Ooh, ooh,
Oh, it really sweet.
ooh.
That black one, isn't it? Finisher?
Yeah, I mean
This
we
one?
have regular gum here too. These are all gums, and we can kind of imagine what they taste like. We're just gonna toss those aside. This one
We're
though,
going to do this for you guys. Now, I don't know which one does what, so we're going to just do this. Yeah?
sure.
Hmm. Okay.
I think you're only supposed to do one or the other because it kind of goes like purpley brown. I don't like the consistency.
Okay, but flavor-wise,
Flavor, they taste good. Oh,
huh?
it's just brown.
That's a really good gum flavor.
I think you're supposed to do like one or the other to get that color.
However, that was tasty. I'm not going to lie.
A lot of the stuff in here was pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie.
Except for all of the grape shit, y'all can like
No, you know
get
what?
wrecked.
There's a lot of decent stuff in there. There are more, so we'll see if we can track down the whole lot of them. I guess.
No, I swear to God, this is hand sanitizer. We shouldn't eat this.
What other ones do they have? Doesn't really tell you.
Oh, quite a few. Are
So
those coupons?
there's 6 other ones that we can get.
Are those coupons?
Yeah, they are. So we'll check those out. See if we can get our hands on some more of them
Absolutely.
and collect all shit.
Collect those shit.
Thanks for hanging out today, guys. Thanks for being here. We appreciate you. Sorry we haven't posted a lot of stuff lately. We're trying.
Hopefully, we're back now.
Yeah, we're trying. We are. Next thing we'll probably be doing is what? The 7-Up challenge? Right challenge?
Probably.
Right
And they
challenge?
can find our pop review on TikTok later.
Yeah, we did a pop review on her TikTok. I'm not gonna say much here, but it's an interesting one. It's an interesting one. Guys, thank you so much. We appreciate you. And until next time, be kind on one another, love one another, wash your hands with the animals. We love you. Get stuff.